Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. If you are learning English and you feel nervous or confused, don't worry, you are not alone. Learning English is not difficult if you build good habits. Today, I will share 10 best habits to learn English faster, especially for beginners. You don't need talent, you only need daily practice. Let's start. The first habit is listen to English every day. Listening helps your brain understand English sounds. You can listen to simple English videos, slow English stories, English songs. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. Example sentence: I listen to English every day. The second habit is speak English daily. Don't wait for a partner. You can speak alone. Talk to yourself. Say simple sentences. Example sentence: I am learning English. Speaking daily builds confidence. Mistakes are okay. The third habit is learn 5 new words daily. Do not learn many words. Learn small but daily. Write the word. Say the word. Use the word. Example sentence: I learn 5 words every day. Small steps give big results. The fourth habit is read simple English. Start with short sentences. Kids' stories, easy articles. Do not read difficult books. Example sentence: I read simple English stories. Reading improves vocabulary and sentence structure. The fifth habit is watch English videos with subtitles. First, watch with subtitles. Then, watch again without subtitles. This helps you hear pronunciation, understand meaning. Example sentence: I watch English videos daily. Learning can be fun. The sixth habit is practice pronunciation slowly. Do not speak fast. Speak clearly. Repeat words after videos. Example sentence: I practice pronunciation every day. Slow speaking is better than wrong speaking. The seventh habit is think in English. Do not translate from your language. Think simple thoughts like, I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy. Example sentence: I think in English now. This habit improves fluency. The eighth habit is write short sentences daily. You don't need long paragraphs. Write 3 to 5 sentences. Example sentence: Today I learn English. Writing improves grammar and memory. The ninth habit is learn daily use sentences. These sentences are very important. Examples: How are you? Can you help me? Thank you. Example sentence: I use English daily. Daily sentences help real-life speaking. The 10th habit is practice every day. Consistency is the key. Even 15 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Example sentence: I practice English daily. Never stop practicing. Let's revise. Listen every day. Speak daily. Learn 5 words. Read simple English. Watch English videos. Practice pronunciation. Think in English. Write sentences. Learn daily use sentences. Practice consistently. You can learn English. Believe in yourself. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Practice every day. You can do it. Thank you for watching.